Okay. Let's get started. Last time we were doing this listening skill, right? Here and here. So that's all about the dinosaur. So do you have any questions regarding this topics or lessons or whatever? No? Okay. I will take that as a no. So turn out that our group 5/8, we are really far ahead of other classes. So I'd like to slow down a little. And I wonder if you have the notebook with you. You have the notebook with you? I'd like you to take out your notebook. Okay, start to write it on your notebook. Read it from the screen. You read an article and answer true or false. I'll give you 10 minutes for this exercise. You don't have to write everything down, just write down the answer, okay? So in your notebook, for example, you can say, you can write on in the middle of the page, you write model, could, and couldn't. And then you say number one, true or false. And then you write A. Then you write the answers true, etc. and so on in your notebook, okay? So I'm gonna expand this so you can read it better with the bigger one. Write it down in your notebook. Please find your notebook and start to write it down. Because when the school starts again, I will check this and give you an extra point for this as well, okay? That's just an easy extra points for you too.
Tàn. คนไม่เปิดกล้องระวังนะคะ เปิดกล้องทุกคน รีบทำลูก
What do I have to do again? I couldn't hear.
What's that?
I didn't hear anything because I was doing some tests on the class.
Huh?
Oh, what the?
You can use a piece of paper or your notebook and start to write down in your notebook. This one. Model could and couldn't, and then you start to write number one, true or false, because I have number 3 here as well, right? True or false, and then you go A, true, from this article. Read and answer, true or false.
Okay.
ข้อที่หนึ่งมี6ข้อย่อยนะลูกต้องทำทั้งหมด มี5ข้อย่อยพูดผิด
Let me know if you have any problems and let me know when you finish.
Teacher,
Yes.
I just joined.
Oh, okay. You just got in. Yeah, sorry. We are, because we are so far ahead from other classes, so we have these sort of extra exercise for you to review the exercise could or couldn't. So take out your notebook or a piece of paper and start to write true or false. Read the article and write down true or false. Okay.
In the Google Classroom.
Not in the Google Classroom, in your book now. Not in the Google Classroom. Doing this
ดู
one.
เลย
In the middle of the page, you will write model, could and couldn't, right? And then you write number one, true or false. And then you write A, true. That's it. You don't have to write the whole page. Just write the answers.
ใครไม่เข้าใจลูก
Do we have to write models could or couldn't?
Yeah, in the middle of the page. So I know this is the exercise that I gave it to you.
Teacher,
Yes,
may I go to toilet, please?
yes. For those who just got in, this time we are doing the exercise in your notebook. Okay, this one is just an extra exercise about could and couldn't, which will be in the test, unit 2 test as well. So it's important that you understand the meaning and how to use could and couldn't, put it into instructions, okay, instructors. So here, what you have to do is to take out your notebook or a piece of paper if you don't have a notebook and write model could and couldn't in the middle of the page, and then say write number one, true or false. And then you read the article, read question A, answer true or false. Let me know when you finish. Finish? Yes? No?
I'm finished.
Sorry, finish, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 1. Oh, sorry. A. When he was a baby, he.
I'm not yet done.
Oh, you're not done yet? Okay, 2 minutes then.
I'm done.
Okay. How about other people? Are you done? Yes? No?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. There's just more people getting in. So just wait for them to join us a little so I can explain to them before I go ahead and answer the questions, or otherwise they will be confused. 1 second. Let's just wait for Vegas. Vegas here, right? Vegas, can you hear me? Please answer. Vegas, who just joined in, please answer. Turn on your video as well. Vegas, number 23. Are you here?
Yes,
Okay.
I am here. I'm sorry I'm late.
Okay. Okay. All right. We just try to do the extra exercise to prep you to Unit 2 test. Okay. And one of the crucial topics that you need to know is could and couldn't. So this one is my extra exercise for you to do before we do the real test on Unit 2. So what I'm gonna do is, you know, you need a notebook or a piece of paper and write it down in the old-fashioned way. But if you have a piece of paper with you, make sure you stick it to your notebook. Okay, so when the school is back on track again, I'm gonna go back and check, and this one will go to your extra points, in class. What I'm doing here, Vegas, I'm telling your friends to write down in the middle of the page, write down model, could and couldn't, and then write number 1, true or false. And then just write only answers, okay? Only answers, not the whole sentence. And they're all finished now. And I'm about to give out the answers. So if you don't quite follow it, you can always go back to watch the video, which I will post later because I had it recorded already. So number 1, she said, when he was a baby, it's a he, right? When he was a baby, he couldn't speak. And the answer already gave out true because it says, when I was a baby, I couldn't speak. B, now he can speak 5 languages. True or false? Now he can speak 5 languages. False, right? He said, now I can speak my language. That is 1, right? And English,
Yeah.
that is 2. Only 2, right? Not 5.
Cheyenne.
Now he can sleep all day. True or false?
False.
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 It says, when I was smaller, I could sleep all day. Now I can't.
Nah.
D, when he was younger, he couldn't understand very much on TV. True or false?
True.
Because it says here, I couldn't understand very much. We're talking about watch television here. E, now he can't understand what the television is saying. True or false?
False.
False, because now I can watch TV and understand what it's saying. Okay. So when it was young, it was impossible. That is hard to understand. That's what it said. Okay. Do you have any question on this one? That's quite easy, right? It's quite easy. Can I go to the next exercise? Those who just got in, we're not using any books or textbooks right now. We're just doing an extra exercise in your notebook or a piece of paper, okay, in the old-fashioned way, not the Google form. And make sure you attach that to your notebook so I can go back and check when we all at school. Now I'm gonna move on to the next. I'm gonna shrink it down a little. Okay. Now you have to put the words in the correct order. You see A as an example, and please write down the example as well, okay? Write down the example. A, it says, when I was 5, I could swim, or I could swim when I was 5. Both answers are correct. Now let's do B, C, D, E, and F. D is questions though. Make sure you write it in the question form.
Where's why does it say what's the order and it's number 3? Where's number 2?
What was that?
Number 2. Where's number 2? Is number 3 only?
Oh, this one, number 3. You want number 2? Number 2 is Kara. You have to draw. You want to draw?
No.
Okay, so I just cut it out. I just figured out you don't want to draw. So just draw things that you could do. So I think it's too childish. No. No, this one.
Teacher, can I give the one answer?
The one, yeah, you can do only one answers. You don't have to do both.
Okay, thank you, teacher. Can you?
Yep.
Teacher,
Yes.
do I have right or question?
No, just answers. Just give the proper sentence to me. You don't have to write A, swim, was, I. No. Just write the answers.
Okay,
This
thank
quick,
you.
That's right.
Teacher, I already write it. I already wrote it.
Oh, that's
Should
okay.
I erase? And then it's not how I write it.
That's all right. Can you give me some water, please? What? Here you go. It's not even cold. It's cold as you will touch it. It's cold enough.
Want the mice?
No, it's too late now. You can throw this away.
No. Oh. That's where chicken.
What? Did you look? Look on the table. Okay, finish.
No.
No, I'm not finished.
Okay, let's wait a little bit longer. Finish. What is B?
No.
No?
I'm done.
Okay. Oh, we only got 10 minutes left. All right, I'm gonna give out the answers, and if you don't quite follow me, you can go back and watch the video, which I will be posting it again after this class, okay? B, when, what? When I was 6, I could play chess. Okay, or you can write, or I could play chess when I was 6. Okay, same thing, right? Next one, C. What do you have for C? When I was 6. What is it? I couldn't read, right? You got it? Or just say, I couldn't read when I was 6. Okay, that's the answers. What is D? This is questions. This one is came up only one answers, which is could. You have to put could in front of the sentence, right? Could you speak English when you were 5? Don't forget the question mark. Got it? Do you have any question? Okay, next. When she was 2. My sister could walk. Okay. Or my sister could walk when she was 2. It's also correct. Do you need me to write it down? My sister was 2. Oops, sorry. My sister could walk when she was 2. Okay. Both sentences are correct. The last sentence. What is it? When or also you can switch these 2 words. Okay. You could say when my sister was 2, she could walk. All right. So this one I'm gonna do the switching. When my brother was 10, he could do judo. Or my brother could do judo when he was 10. Okay. Both sentences are correct. Understand? I got only 3 minutes left. So don't forget to write it down in your notebook. And I also have this record. So you can always go back and check your answers in the video also. All right. So 3 minutes left. Do you have any question? Any question?
No.
Okay, okay. So please don't forget to do it in your notebook, and I will definitely check it for your extra points on this one. Okay. So I will see you on Tuesday, right? Tuesday. Next Tuesday. No homework. Just finish this. All right. Okay. I'll see you on next Tuesday. Bye.
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 Bye.